Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to create a sleek, professional poster layout in Canva using transparent images. First, upload your image. Here, I'm using a picture of two macaws with the background already removed using remove.bg. Scale it up so it fills your canvas nicely. Next, click on Text on the left menu and add a bold heading. Type out your title, in this case, Macaws, and scale it up so it stands out in the center. Now, add your descriptive body text. Paste in your details, center align the text, and place it right over the image where you want it. To make the text pop against the dark tropical background, change the font color to white and adjust the box opacity or positioning so everything stays crisp and readable. Move your title towards the top center. Adjust the text layers so the title seamlessly integrates with the subjects of your photo. Finally, fine-tune your body text alignment at the bottom. Make sure the spacing is clean, balanced, and easy to read. And there you have it, a clean, modern poster layout